welcome to Top Cars TV. The 1971 Chevy K10 stands as one of the most iconic trucks ever built, a symbol of true American strength, craftsmanship, and style. This classic pickup from Chevrolet continues to command respect among car lovers and collectors, not just for its rugged build but for its timeless appeal that merges vintage charm with raw power. The K10, being the four-wheel drive version of the CK series, was designed for those who wanted durability both on and off the road. Even today, more than 5 decades later, the 1971 Chevy K10 remains a legend among enthusiasts and restoration fans. The front bumper of the 1971 Chevy K10 defines the truck's bold and aggressive character. Made of solid chrome, it complements the large square front grille, which proudly holds the Chevy Boaty emblem. The combination of the chrome bumper and grille gives the K10 a distinctive and commanding road presence. Unlike modern trucks that rely heavily on plastic materials, the K10's front end reflects the era when vehicles were built to last a lifetime. Every line and curve of the bumper adds to its muscular stance, making it instantly recognizable to any truck lover. Inside the K10, the interior tells a story of simplicity and strength. The cabin was designed with functionality in mind. Everything you need, nothing you don't. The dashboard features classic analog gauges, metal accents, and a steering wheel that feels substantial in your hands. The bench seat, covered in durable vinyl, offers both comfort and practicality. Even though it lacks modern luxuries like touchscreen displays or electronic controls, the 1971 K10's interior has a nostalgic charm that captures the pure driving experience of the early 70s. Many restored versions today include subtle upgrades like custom upholstery, Bluetooth stereos, or air conditioning systems, blending old-school style with modern comfort. The rear side of the truck its back is just as impressive as the front. The K10's bed was built tough to handle heavier loads, whether for work or adventure. The steel tailgate, embossed with the bold Chevrolet lettering, remains one of the most iconic visual trademarks of the era. The rear bumper matches the chrome finish up front, completing the balanced and stylish design. For off-road enthusiasts, the raised stance and four-wheel drive system make this truck capable of tackling rough terrains with ease, proving that it's not just about looks, it's about performance. When it comes to price, the value of a 1971 Chevy K10 varies widely depending on condition, originality, and modifications. A project truck needing full restoration might cost between $10,000 and $20,000, while a fully restored or custom-built version can easily reach $60,000 to $100,000 or more. Because of its growing popularity among collectors, the K10's market value continues to rise, making it not only a dream truck but also a smart investment for vintage car enthusiasts. The 1971 Chevy K10 was originally launched during a time when American automotive design was at its peak. Its blend of style, durability, and power made it an instant favorite. Today, whether you see one at a classic car show or cruising down the highway, the K10 continues to turn heads and spark admiration. It's not just a truck, it's a timeless piece of automotive history that celebrates the spirit of the open road and the golden age of American engineering.